What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable restricted mode on TikTok. If you're unable to watch certain videos due to content restrictions, you want to turn this feature off to regain full access to TikTok's content. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the options that appear, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Content and Display. Tap on Content Preferences, and in this menu, you will see multiple options like Filter Video Keywords and Restricted Mode. TikTok occasionally moves this setting around, so if it's not exactly here, it might be under Family Pairing or in Digital Wellbeing in future updates. If Restricted Mode is turned on, you will see it marked as On. Tap on it and select Turn Off. TikTok will now ask you to enter the passcode that was set when restricted mode was enabled. Enter the passcode, tap Next, and you will see a message confirming that restricted mode has been turned off. Once that's done, press the back button in the top left to exit the settings. To make sure the changes take effect, it's a good idea to restart the TikTok app. This will refresh your For You page, and you should start seeing videos that may have been previously blocked. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.